Welcome. Please scan your Advantage card to begin your transaction.
Your Giant Eagle Advantage card has been accepted. $2.49. Place your item in the bagging. $2.59.
I think it was the scanner who did that.
Please remove the unscanned
Wait.
item. Remember to always scan your item before placing it in the bag. Please continue scanning. $2.59. $2.29.
Wait. Is it
Please
gonna
remove the unscanned
Here, remove
item.
it again.
Remember to always scan your item before placing it in the bag. Please continue scanning.
I said okay, good.
$1.49. Place your item in the bagging area.
Wait. Here. I don't think the Milky Way did it. Wait.
$1.39.
You're right.
$1.39.
I don't think the chips didn't take it too. This
$2.49.
now it did.
Please remove the unscanned
I think
item.
it wants. Yeah, there
Remember
we go.
to always scan your item before placing it in the bag. Please continue scanning. $2.49. Scan coupon now. Would you like to make a donation? Your total is... Please wait. System processing. Follow the instructions on the pin pad.
Welcome. Please scan your Advantage card to begin your transaction.
Your Giant Eagle Advantage card has been accepted.
I don't know what you do. I'm just saying.
$3.89. Place your item in the bagging area.
That wasn't at all.
$92. Thank you for shopping at Giant Eagle. $5.99.
Oh, we saved $1. That's nice.
Welcome. Please scan your Advantage card to begin your transaction.